everyone, Ross Curtin from Auckland, New Zealand here. I'm the current drummer for thrash metal band Just One Fix and alternative metal band Lakaias. Been using Collision Drumsticks for a good couple of years now. Find they're real good, comfortable sticks. And I use the 5BR just for, they've got that good extra length so you don't have to reach out quite as far. And I've really been enjoying working with Collision Drumsticks so far. They are really easy to get in contact with and are really quick with deliveries. And now I'm about to play the track Warzone from Just One Fix's latest EP release, Submit or Death.
Insanity kills on the shadows over me. Fight the monster, become the enemy. Stare into the void, watch it look back. Endless black speaks to me. Whispered insanity. Visions on my mind. Prophecy yet to be. City and reflection. Born in front back. Tsunami of death, and this is mine.